Let's walk you through styling your hair with the curling attachments on the Aire 360. It's best to start with towel-dried hair that's detangled. And then you're going to want to use the soft air drying concentrator to rough dry your hair. There's 3 heat settings and 3 speed settings for a personalized styling experience for every hair type. And then you can go in and begin drying your hair. We want to dry hair until it's about 80% dry, so it's just a little bit damp. And then you can begin styling with your curling attachments. You're going to want to take 1 to 2 inch sections. Let the hair hang. It can be tempting to want to place the ends on the barrel, but it's so much easier to let the hair hang and let the barrel just do the work for you. Now, to add a little bit more context here, proper styling with these barrels, right? You want to dangle the hair, let the barrel wrap the hair around, move that barrel up to the root, and then you want to leave it on your section for 5 to 8 seconds. And then you press the cool shot. And you're going to press and hold that for 10 seconds. And then you turn the tool off and then release the curl. This is going to give you the longest lasting, most beautiful result possible. Look at the beautiful shine that's happening here. We're switching out the barrel. We hear it click into place. And then we can finish styling that last quadrant of our hair. This tool is designed with an Aire X BLDC motor, so it's a brushless DC motor. So that technology paired with the internal component of the curling attachment really grips the hair so effortlessly for your easiest style yet. Look at it, just grab it. The barrels are also made out of ceramic, so this is one of the biggest points of differentiation on this tool. The ceramic is going to give you that incredible gravity-defying curl every single time with the style that's absolutely going to outlast your day. You're also going to notice that each of the curling attachments has that cool touch tip. This can be really helpful when you want to grab the end of the barrel to style and just have a little bit more leverage. It's also really helpful when you're switching out the barrels because, of course, you have 2 barrels that are able to curl once in each direction. Flawless curls, stunning style every single time with the T3 Aire 360 ceramic blowout kits. There we go. Now we want to let the hair fully cool and then we can brush or comb it out. I like to use the wide tooth comb in the Detangle Duo set. It just sort of tousles the hair, but maintains so much of that curl definition. We don't need hairspray. We don't need shine spray. This is all just the Aire 360 giving us that runway glamour, blowout curling style. Absolutely stunning.